So this is 2017 Ford Escape. It has a P0304 misfire code. So for today we are going to diagnose and fix this car. Actually, this came from other shop. They already diagnosed this, and the owner I don't have enough budget for it because they charge him very high. So they gonna change one of the ignition coil and four spark plug. And he saw me on Facebook, so here we are. We're gonna fix his car today.
Oh my god.
So as you can hear, the idle is very rough and the engine is shaking so bad because one of the cylinder is not working properly.
Grabe ang rattle niya.
Over here, I'm checking the data stream for this car. I just want to know the misfire count for this car. And as you can see in here, it has more than 1,000.
Ang dami niyang misfire.
Uh,
1,272, 79. Ito na. Yung
yeah,
misfire niya.
more than 1,000 misfire.
Yan lang din natin.
Right now, we are going to first replace the spark plug because the owner already decided to replace all of them. I asked him if he want me to diagnose it again, and he said now we'll just go ahead, replace the four spark plug and number four ignition coil. So that's what we are doing here right now. So I did not diagnose this anymore. I'll just go ahead and replace four spark plug and one ignition coil.
Number 4. I'm not sure kung ito yung number 4 o number 1. I-search ko muna. Pero most likely
Pag fault, anong ibig sabihin? Nasunog or ano?
may ano siya. Parehas lang. So i-ano mo lang siya. Twist mo lang. Pero pare-parehas din. Pag fault, yung internal niya na meron kasing circuit sa internal, susunog na rin o sira na rin mga driver niya sa loob, mga electrical circuit na ano na.
So alright guys, I'm not gonna talk anymore. This is a self-explanatory video again. So just watch the video. The rest of the video, mostly I use I think number 10 millimeter socket over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you later on the data stream for this car. So by the way, I'm using, I think this is 916. Yeah, it's a 916. Okay, it's a skinnier spark plug remover tool. Alright guys, so just watch the rest of the video.
Oh my God.
May donors ka pala.
Oo na. Mataas yung ano ko dyan, yung natsambahan ko yung exam eh. Natsambahan ko yung exam, ang bihira.
Sa ano?
Swerte rin lang.
Sa caregiver.
Wala namang ano doon.
Wala bang honor doon?
Walang honor doon. Pass or fail ka lang doon.
Kung makapasala, makaalis ng bansa.
May ano rin na bumabagsak sa ano, siyempre sa interview. Doon ka bumabagsak. Pero pag caregiver, walang bumabagsak dyan. Certificate lang. Kaya mag-aaral ka. Otherwise, kung i-anuin ka sa mga ano ng bata, mag-CPR, hindi mo alam, patay ka. Kaya hindi siya basta-basta na ano lang. Marunong ka rin. Pwedeng babayaan kasi pag sa interview at natsambahan ka na pag-anuhin ng mga CPR or something, patay. Oh, grabe. Put na. Sunog na.
Madali rin. Ba, init pala.
Mainit eh. Sinusunog yan eh. What a small world. Dito pa kayo nagkita nung kasama mo nung nakita ka niya nga eh. Anak lang baka sabi kagad eh.
Hindi ko siya nakita.
Kilala ko to sabi. Ha?
Lalakad ako pa, papunta dito. Yun na nakita.
Nakita ka kagad eh. Kilala ko to sabi kagad sa akin.
So now we got this replacement part for the ignition coil. This is Hitachi brand. So again, I did not diagnose this car anymore because the owner told me just go ahead, replace it. he got already the parts. So here we are replacing the number 4 ignition coil.
Bisa sa umbrella.
Sa flapper at sa intake manifold dyan eh. Parang yun na yan. Parang pero pag ano nawawala.
Alright, so everything is back.
Wala na yung alog.
All the ignition coil, all spark plug has been changed, and one
Wala, pero wala
ignition
wala
coil.
ng alog eh.
So there's still a ticking sounds for this car, but we're not gonna diagnose that. That's a different issue. And I'm just gonna show you guys the data stream if there's still a misfire count for this car, and I guarantee you there's no more misfire count for this car. And
Zero.
over here, as you can see on the second line, misfire count
Fix.
cycle 0. So car is already fixed.
Na zero na kanina. 1,600. 1,000 patas ng patas. Ito. Zero.